Oh, I'm gonna jump train to train. Oh my god, wait, this is gonna be crazy. Oh! Oh my god! Don't do that! Oh my god! I'm okay. Hold on, is that a thing?
What, bulletproof ass window, bro?
Yeah, I'm thinking maybe the glass could break somehow. Fellas, let's try and jump to the other train. When I did it last time, it worked fantastically. Ready? Here it comes. Oh my god!
Oh fuck, I went the wrong way. I left a tweak on the train roof with your homies.
What? I'm in the train.